Welcome to House My Home. Transforming a small balcony into a cozy and stylish retreat is easier than you think. With the right ideas, even the tiniest space can feel inviting and functional. Even the smallest balcony can be transformed into a cozy little retreat with the right decor. Imagine stepping outside in the morning, sitting on a simple foldable chair with a cup of coffee, and being surrounded by fresh green plants and soft lights. Decorating a small balcony is all about creativity and smart use of space. Start by choosing comfortable seating that doesn't take up much room, like a bistro set, a hanging chair, or even floor cushions for a casual vibe. Adding greenery brings life to your balcony. Small pots, railing planters, or even a vertical garden can completely change the atmosphere. At night, soft lighting works wonders. String lights across the railing, lanterns on the floor, or solar lamps tucked between plants create a warm, inviting glow. To make the space truly yours, include personal touches. A small rug underfoot, colorful throw pillows, and wall hangings can bring character and comfort. If you enjoy hosting, set up a tiny table for snacks or drinks, or create a cozy reading nook with just one chair and a side table. Multifunctional furniture, like stools with hidden storage or foldable tables, will help keep everything organized while saving space. Balcony doesn't need to be large to be beautiful. With thoughtful decor, it can become a mini garden, a quiet escape, or even a festive spot for gatherings. These 101 creative ideas are designed to inspire you to make the most of every inch, turning a simple balcony into a personal outdoor haven.